Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your Chase Freedom Flex rewards for maximum cash back. Complete guide step by step clearly. To configure your Chase Freedom Flex rewards for maximum cash back, begin by logging into your Chase account on the website or mobile app. Navigate to the rewards dashboard to view your current categories. Familiarize yourself with the rotating categories, as they change every quarter. Make a note of the current quarter's bonus categories. You can earn 5% cash back on purchases in these selected categories. Ensure you've activated your cash back rewards for the current quarter. To activate, simply click the Activate button next to the listed categories. Review the spending limits for the 5% cash back category, typically up to a certain amount. Plan your purchases according to these categories to maximize your rewards. Consider using the card for recurring bills, such as groceries or streaming services, that fall into bonus categories. Keep track of your spending to ensure you reach the limit for bonus cash back. For all purchases outside the bonus categories, you'll earn 1% cash back. Remember to register for any special offers that Chase may provide. Check for additional promotions in the Chase Offers section of your account. Stay informed about any changes to the rewards program by reviewing communications from Chase. Utilize tools and apps that track your spending and categorize it for easy reference. After each quarter, reassess your purchases and adjust your spending strategy accordingly. Finally, monitor your rewards balance regularly to stay on track toward your cashback goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.